Hello everybody, I'm back. I actually have not really gone anywhere, but I have been kind of slacking on my social media game lately. I am barely posting TikToks. I am not extremely happy with the YouTube videos that I've been putting out, and that's just because I'm in my finals week of school and I just came back from visiting home, so I'm kind of just readjusting myself just a little bit. But trust me, summer is a week away, guys. Summer is 1 week away. So with that being said, more videos to come, but I wanted to jump back into doing makeup, and so I have this little series going on my YouTube channel. Also, hello, hi, my name is Brianna, if I haven't said that already. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. If not, then hey, what's up, what's going on? But I have this little mini series that I've been doing on my how-to, and then it's just blank. So I fill it in with different trends that are going around. So I've done a how to get the that girl makeup look, how to get the clean girl makeup look, how to get the soft glam makeup look, and you get the idea of it, right? And that I have not done yet is the how to get the no makeup look, because honestly, I don't know why. I think I filmed it, but then it was more so just a college get ready with me morning routine type of video. So I actually haven't really filmed a proper no makeup look. So we're gonna do that today because I am going out later. So I do actually have to have something going on here. So why not? Let's just dive right into it. Okay, I think that's good. I tucked my little side pieces behind my ears, and the first step to any makeup look is moisturizing and priming. And because this is a no makeup look, you want to make it look very effortless, kind of like a I woke up like this moment. So I'm gonna try my best to do this. I'm honestly kind of having a rough time with my skin. I don't know if you guys can really see, but yeah, my skin hasn't been happy with me. I'll start off by moisturizing my face, and I'm going to be using the Illamasqua Hydra Veil, and mine is I would show it, honestly I would show it, but mine is kind of all crusty dusty. I'm just going to warm this up in my hand and then apply it all over my face for some moisture right before we prime. I'm also making sure to apply this in every crevice. For me, it's my smile lines, I get really dry over there, and then around this whole area of my nose. I'm also using some of my Summer Fridays lip balm just to moisturize the lips a little bit. Now onto primer. I'm going to be using my Glossier Primer Moisturizer Balance. So this is an oil controlled gel cream, and I've been loving this lately. I don't know what about it, but it's literally this little gel thing, and I put this everywhere because my whole entire face is oily. Okay, so for foundation, I guess you can call it, I'm just gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, and I'm going to be applying this on the perimeter of my face. So basically just the whole outside of my face, on the forehead, on the temples, the chin. Then for the center of my face, I'm just going to take literally the smallest bit of my Fenty Beauty Ease Drops, and I'm just gonna kind of put that on the middle of my face. And then I'm taking this Morphe R6 brush, and I'm going to just buff all of that product out. And the reason why I put the Charlotte Tilbury on the perimeter of my face is it is a little more darker for my skin tone. I got 4.5, I believe, in mine, which is way too dark for me. I just wanted to add warmth to any areas that I would put my bronzer. So that's what the skin is looking like. See how it's very glowy, but it doesn't really look like I have anything on? That's the whole point. That's what? Chloe? Hello? I'm filming a video, so if you hear me talk to myself, I'm not. Okay, so for concealer, I want something that'll cover, but I don't want something too much. you know what I mean? Like, not necessarily like a brightening type of concealer. So I'm going in with my Glossier Pot Concealer, and I have mine in the shade G10, and this matches my skin perfectly. And so I am just lightly brushing this concealer in areas that I need it, along on any blemishes. And then I'm just taking a beauty blender and I'm gonna blend all of it out. Well, probably one of the greatest products that I've used to like achieve this kind of look is my Alley Oop like trio. So it has a blush, bronzer, and a highlight, and these look so natural, but you can build them up if you want to. So I'm going to be using this today. So I'm going to be going in with the bronzer shade, and I'm just taking like an e.l.f. brush, and I'm like barely tapping. Like, I just want to very lightly bronze the face, just like the tiniest bit. Same beauty blender, and we're just going to disperse the product onto the cheek. And then I'm just taking that same brush and I'm going to tap into the blush just a little bit. The blush is super pigmented. I'm just adding blush in the areas that I usually get really rosy and blending it out with the beauty blender again. So the blush, the bronzer is done and it's laid, and I'm just going to take the highlight shade with a smaller brush, and I'm going to tilt my head towards my light, and you can see where it reflects, where the reflection is on my face, and that's where I'm going to apply the highlighter. And then on the nose, I have a little sparkle right there, right there. The tiniest bit on the cheek, and whatever left over on the chin. Now that all of the cream products are down, I'm going to go and set my face with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Absolutely love this stuff, and this is just going to lock in before I powder my face. I'm just going to set some parts in my face. I'm using my OPIF Beauty London setting powder. I have been talking about this on how much I've been loving it. So I just tap a little like into the cap, and then I really just make sure it's in the brush. And then I'm just going to be tapping this under my eyes and on the smile lines. Now for the eyebrows, I'm just going to do a very, very light fill on the eyebrows, and I'm going to be using my Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat for this. This is the eyebrow pencil that I feel like is light enough where I can lightly fill in my brows without kind of making it seem like I did fill in my brows. Like, if that makes any sense at all, I really don't know. So I'm not dragging too much to the front, and I'm kind of just defining the tail just a little bit. I'm just gonna set it with some clear brow gel. And for lashes, I got some Demi Wispies from Ardell, which are like a fan favorite. I kind of just wanted to spruce up the outer corners of my eyes. Usually what my lashes are looking like right now. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, I just got sent a package from Grande Cosmetics, and they sent me their eyelash serum, and I've been using it, and honestly, the natural lashes are looking pretty good. Like, when I say like the outer part, like, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. Like, I literally just took the outer portion of the lash, and it's gonna just kind of hang out right there. So I have them cut, and I'm actually gonna put mascara on after, which is how it's gonna look natural. I'm just taking just a Kiss lash glue, and I'm just gonna pray for the best. They look so funny, but like, I promise, just wait to see the vision. It'll come together. Okay, the lashes are dry. I'm gonna go in with my Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm gonna bind these lashes together. You can't tell me that this doesn't look natural. Like, it looks like my actual lashes, which is crazy. This is what they look like. I mean, it does look kind of off, but then also like using the mascara to blend them in makes them look natural. Like, it makes them look natural, like, enough. You know what I mean? Okay, and then for lips, I've been seeing everyone do like that lip liner and lip gloss trend. So I'm gonna just take my Pillow Talk lip liner and just lightly line my lips. I reached maximum capacity of filming. My bad. But, and then I'm just tapping on some lip balm. and oh my god. Alright everybody, so this is how the final look turned out. I would definitely say that this is like a no makeup look. The only reason why it kind of looks like I have something on is because of like I added like the lashes, but then also it kind of looks like I just had like lash extensions. Like that's kind of like the vibe that I'm getting here. So yeah, I'm like actually kind of like obsessed with this look. And so that's gonna be it for today's video. My school's actually throwing a prom, so the next video you will see after this one will be probably a get ready with me to go to prom, because I did graduate high school in 2020, and because of the pandemic I never got to have a traditional high school graduation, nor did I get to have my senior prom. So they're throwing this prom for people like me who didn't get to go to their senior prom. And my dress, you guys, my dress, oh my god, probably the best dress I've ever bought in myself, if I'm being honest with you. But I'm gonna show you guys that whole process next week, so make sure you stay tuned for that because I'm super excited to film that video. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me do this little look. It was so nice to be back and to do makeup again, and I am also extremely thankful for all of you guys because we are actually almost at 400 subscribers. We are at 399 right now. We did hit 400, but then someone unsubscribed. So, no hard feelings, but like, anyways. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so excited to get to see you more often, and I promise I'll try and be on my best behavior to upload as much videos as I can over this summer. So thank you all again for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next week. Bye.